Hey, what's going on, Rockstars? Welcome back to the Rockstarflipper YouTube channel for all my returning viewers. And for all of you that are new, welcome into the channel. Thank you so much for joining me. January 8th, 2018, the first week of 2018 in the books. And I wanted to make a video to update you guys on the sales. A lot of you guys asked how sales were going here in the first week of the new year. And so I wanted to show you guys a little bit of what sold on eBay, some of the items we sold over the weekend and early last week. So we're gonna jump over to my screen and check that out. It was a pretty solid weekend. Very consistent sales, also a lot of variety in items that we were selling. And I'm gonna also update you on some of the bulk purchasing of the neckties that I did and how some of those are selling, because I had some pretty cool sales on some pretty cool neckties. So definitely show you guys that at the end of this video. So let's, without further ado, jump over to my screen and check it out. All right, we're gonna just jump right into it here with the first one. You guys remember this shirt from a haul a few weeks back. This is the Shepler's Pearl Snap Western shirt, solid black. I believe I got this at a Salvation Army for about $2.50, and it sold for $26. So that's what, $23.50 on the profit, less the fees and shipping. It was free shipping with all my stuff right now. So you're looking at about a what, $17 profit? Not bad on that. Same deal with this Rugged Earth shirt. This one sold for $18. I paid $2.50 for it, so you're at $15.50 less fees and shipping, right around $10 in profit on the Rugged Earth. Rugged Earth seems to do okay. Let's go to the Columbia shirt. This is a Columbia PFG women's shirt, and this one sold for $24. Really good. It's one of the vintage shirts. There it is. Nice pink color. $24, paid around $3 for this one, so that would be $21 less the fees and shipping. Net profit right around like $15 to $16. Zach Thomas jersey, paid $3 for this. We took a best offer on this one. It did not sell for $34. This one sold best offer at $28, but still that's $25 profit less the fees and shipping. Left us right around $18 profit on this. So really good item selling, making anywhere from $12 to $14 to $16 profit per item. Really good margins, and only spending about $2 to $3 on these. Dale Earnhardt, this sweater was $3. It did not sell for $29. We took a best offer. This one sold for even $20. So 17 profit less the fees and shipping, and it was kind of heavy, but it was like 15.8 ounces with the envelope, so it went first class for like $436 or $464, whatever that is, at 15.9. So plus the fees, it was like $8 worth of fees and shipping, which left us 12, and then I paid $3, so it was about a $9 profit on this one. The LeBron jersey, got this one a little while back. I paid like $3 or $4 out of that large jersey lot. I think this is the last one. I think there's none left. This did sell $25.50, made $22.50 on it, or $22, and then fees and shipping leaves us about a $15 to $16 net. Tommy Bahama shirt went for $19. This was a $2.50 purchase from Salvation Army. Lucky Brand jeans, we paid $3 for these. They sold at $28, which was $25. Now, of course, they cost $6.30 to ship, so that immediately brings us down to like $18.70, and then less the fees, about $13 to $14 in profit. The varsity jacket, this was a $3 purchase, did sell $31.50, which left us $28.50 in profit. The fees brought us down to about $24, and then the shipping was expensive. This thing ended up costing right at $10. It was like $9.97. So yeah, I mean, the $10 immediately right off the $31.50 leaves you $21.50, less the fees leaves you like $15, $16, and then we paid $3 for it. So, you know, only about $12 to $13 in profit, but still not bad. Armani jeans were $3 purchase, sold at $35. That's $32. The $6.30 to ship it is $26, less the fees, about $22, $21 in profit on the Armani jeans. And then we're going to jump in. Everyone wants to know the update on all of the neckties that I bought. You guys don't know, I did a bulk purchase from multiple people. I bought 100 here, 100 there, 200 there. We've been selling the heck out of ties. I think we sold close to 100 ties in December. Not sure how many we've sold in January as of the first 7 or 8 days, but probably right around 15 or 16. This Brooks Brothers tie, $14. That leaves after fees and shipping right around like $8. And pretty much all of our cost of goods on these ties come out to somewhere between 50 cents and $1. Pierre Cardin, this is a golfing tie, pretty cool. It sold for $8.25. A holiday tie, this was one of the last ones we sold after Christmas. Yellow Tommy Hilfiger tie, $9. Tommy Hilfiger pink tie for $11. I think we took a $7 best offer on the other one, and this one sold full. So really, really good tie sales on these. You guys can see we're kind of doing like the front of the tie, the back logo of the tie, if it has like the logos there, and then we'll do the silk showing that it's silk, and then obviously the front showing the width. So really good idea. This was an incredible tie. It came from Kevin Higginbotham, and Kevin sent me a bag of ties that I paid for, and this is a Ralph Marlin, which does okay. Licensed by Harley. Check the quality of this tie out. Incredible. It sold best offer for $21.75. Very, very nice. Countess Mara. This is a brand that's not as well known, Countess Mara, but they will sell. I took a best offer of 10 on this one, but typically I can get 12 out of these, and so if you can get them for $1 or less, good flip. They sell pretty quick too. This one was only listed for a couple of days when it sold. Final two were from the same customer. He paid $5.99 for this Save the Children tie, and he paid $12 for this brand new Save the Children tie. So it was $17.99 in one package, and I was into these for about $1 to $1.50. So pretty good flip. Again, they went $261 first class, less the fees, less the shipping. Made about $9 to $10 on the pair of them on the combination. So, you know, $4.50 to $5 profit each. When I spent 50 cents or $1, well worth it. So that's kind of the update for the first week of January 2018. Let me know how you guys did down in the comment section below. Let me know how your sales are. Are they up? Are they down? Are they the same? Have you sold any cool stuff? Have you sold any big profit margins? Have you been out sourcing? That's another question. How's everybody's sourcing going? I'll have a video to update you guys, but I'm just curious how your 2018 has started off, and hopefully you are sticking to the goals that you made. If you have any questions, concerns, or you want to tell me about it, put it in the comment section below. Otherwise, the description box below this video is for you guys. Links to my eBay store, my Amazon links, all the equipment I use, anything you need to buy. If you're buying it from me or anyone else, please get there to eBay and Amazon using the links below. I really appreciate it. And until next time, have a wonderful night. I'll see you guys then.